come with the weekend again. I don't hustle from Monday to Friday, and weekend don't come make na take cool let na take relax. Alright, now let's say Niger Lottery be the hottest, most entertaining lottery for Niger. And now checking that time now 10:45 p.m. and a time for the Niger Gold Draws. Once again, want to wish you a big congratulations to all our winners. We hammer big for all the draws we did draw. Yes, congratulations to Niger. I know say winners they always emerge for Niger Lottery. Now to the cocoa of this evening, our machine for here gets a total of 19 balls, and this machine for here now they select the numbers randomly. Now we expect 5 lucky numbers for the Niger Gold Draw. So we can bring that in our tickets, make na no carry last, and I hope say we now predict in our numbers correctly. I've been an uncle Francisca. Alright, we wish you the best of luck from Niger Lottery. I don't say I'm so sad, I don't press the button. And now because of the screen, I select the best number for the Niger Gold. And the best number 63. Number 63. The second number for the Niger Gold. Number 50. Number 50. We expect the third number. And number 64. Number 64. 2 more numbers to go. And the next number, number 15. Number 15. And the last number. We will check number 66. Our final number for the Niger Gold. That's my people. I don't stand myself, so the machine will do my you. Okay, I will call the numbers once again. Number 63, number 50, number 64, number 15, and number 66. Congratulations to our winners for the Niger Gold. Oh, yes, if I know say the numbers come out this evening, now big congratulations be that to my people. That means a weekend don't show up for it, now when I'm saying I go fit certificate. Now they move on to the next one they call the machine numbers. And this machine once again go select numbers. 5 lucky numbers for the machine. Once again, we wish you the best of luck. As now, know our game is a game of luck. I don't press the button one more time. And go see the machine will repeat the spin balls. Prepare for the first number to come out for the machine. And the first number, number 54. Number 54. We expect the next number in the machine. And the single 9. Single 9. Okay. Third number. Number 20. Number 20. Okay, 2 more numbers. And the next number, number 56. Number 56. And the last number is so. And number 21. Number 21. Our 5 lucky numbers for the machine. Yes, my people. I don't stand myself. Okay, I will call the numbers one more time. Number 54, single 9, number 20, number 56, and number 21. Congratulations to our winners this evening. No, but just in case in our numbers no come out, now we try along again tomorrow as they get 4 draws again tomorrow. So if you try along again and along fish for any of our draws. Now, what's that about my other game they call the instant game? Now, 1 out of 36. As now they play, now so the result they come up for our machine. And now they win sharp, no they waste time at all. So make now visit our nearby agent because our agents they everywhere, any corner and I go see them. So make now ask them about our instant game. They go explain and give you now. Then now we play our instant game. So make now no dull, no make now no carry last at all. Now for our social media pages. We did there too as well. We did for our Facebook, we did for Twitter, we did for YouTube. Yes, all these draws that they see for here with the winning numbers, the machine numbers, and we get the recap for our YouTube channels. Yes, so all the 4 draws, including our Sunday draws, all of them did there. So now they watch them and they enjoy doing our stuff. Yes, and so it be they make sure say they entertain you now. So make now continue to the patronize Niger Lottery because see now some other time, make now take care, make now good night and God bless.